Hi guys, today I'm doing a review on the 3D printed 2S7. There's some partial assembly with this one to prevent damage during shipping. The parts that need to be assembled are the barrel, balancing gear on both sides, and the cylinder that goes to the breech with the sights. The main gun can elevate pretty nice. I don't think you want to do it too much because it is made of resin, so too much might damage it. And it does scratch up against that part right there. So I don't want to do too much. Very nice model. Fabry is the only other brand that has a model of this vehicle. It is made of metal, but unfortunately for that version, the gun is in the travel lock position. It cannot elevate like this. Less detailing in the back. You can also see the lines for the 3D print right there. The breech is closed. I guess it would need to open to ram in the shell. And then comes the charge and it's ready to fire. Right now it's in the loading position. It's pretty neat with the piston right there, even though it's only a 3D print. I think it's the biggest artillery model in my collection right now. Here's a comparison with the other Soviet artillery. Here's the Mista 2S1 and 2S3. I'll also throw in a T80. Thanks for watching.